Hey guys, we got a new Echo Dot Max. Say something. Woo! Alright guys, we're gonna unbox this baby and we're gonna check it out. I can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. And it's pretty knit too, isn't it? Okay, so the back is the plug, and there's the light ring in front of it. Alright, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Oh my gosh, Mommy, show it to them. Okay, so we got the plug here. Thank you, Mommy, so much. Okay, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Mommy, I found the Alexa Plus thing. Echo Dot Max, there's the manuals and stuff. We're going to forget about that for now. Alright. Okay, I'm going to close the box back up. Why is it so hard? Can you help me? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Mommy, say something. Okay. Okay, so, guys, look at this. Come on, let me have it. Alright, guys, here's what the Echo Dot Max looks like. Oh my gosh. It looks so cool in person. Bro, this is so cool. Alright, Mom, where do you think we're going to put it? Right there? Where? Right there on the nightstand. Where? Table? Right there? There can only be one spot. We'll move that one. No. If it stays there, it stays there. Okay, then let's put it. Where are we gonna put it? On this table. This table. That one. There's no plug. Okay, we're gonna move this flower. Okay, now we're going to plug this in.
Where's mine?
Okay, food check.
Island's facing the right way. So when you're cooking, you got all your friends and they look here, you don't have to turn your back to them. That's like this one.
Okay, let me see. In the right position. Alright, now.
This is common space right here. This is common space here.
Hello. This device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions.
No, I'll get it.